Bananas are your thing, right? You eat them regularly, like many of us, without really thinking about it. But did you know that some of your banana habits could be limiting their benefits? You'll be surprised to learn that simple mistakes we all make can have a negative impact on their nutritional value and even on our health. In this video, I'm going to reveal 10 common mistakes we make when eating bananas, and especially how to avoid them to maximize all the benefits of this incredibly nutritious fruit. Imagine being able to make your bananas even more delicious, preserve their nutrients optimally, and enjoy unexpected benefits for your well-being. So if you're ready to revolutionize the way you eat bananas, stick with me. You're going to discover simple tips that will make all the difference. And if you enjoy this video, don't hesitate to let me know by liking it. It helps me a lot to continue offering you useful content. Let's go. Mistake number 1. Eating bananas that are too ripe or not ripe enough. Have you ever wondered if the ripeness of your banana could have an impact on your health? Ripeness is more important than we think. A banana that's too green is rich in resistant starch, which in some people can cause uncomfortable bloating and gas. On the other hand, a banana that's too ripe, although sweet and pleasant to the taste, has a higher glycemic index, which can lead to blood sugar spikes, especially if you're watching your blood sugar levels. The trick? The ideal banana is yellow with slight brown spots. At this stage, it achieves a perfect balance between taste, nutrients, and ease of digestion. So the next time you choose a banana, will you go for the perfect ripeness? Let me know in the comments. Mistake number 2, throwing away the banana peel. How many of us automatically throw away the banana peel without thinking about it? It's almost become a reflex. However, the banana peel is a nutritional goldmine that many of us ignore. Most people don't realize it, but banana peels are rich in fiber, potassium, and are full of polyphenols and powerful antioxidants. It also contains compounds that, according to some studies, can help improve sleep and even reduce symptoms of depression. Of course, the idea of eating the banana peel may seem weird, especially because of its rough texture. But here's the good news. You don't have to eat it raw to enjoy it. Why not subtly incorporate it into your dishes? It blends perfectly in smoothies, curries, or even infusions. Cooking the banana peel can make it more tender and pleasant to eat while preserving its benefits. So ready to take up the challenge? Why not try a recipe that uses banana peel next time? Tell me in the comments if you're tempted to take action. Mistake number 3. Not washing the banana before peeling it. Now let's be honest, who among you washes their banana before peeling it? Not many people, right? Yet it's a crucial step that's often overlooked. Although the peel protects the flesh of the fruit, it can be contaminated by bacteria, pesticides, or other harmful substances during transport and handling. By peeling the banana without washing it, you risk transferring these contaminants to the edible part. However, a simple rinse under running water is enough to eliminate most of these risks. Mistake number 4. Eating bananas on an empty stomach. Are you the type to grab a banana on the go in the morning, convinced that you're making a healthy and quick choice? Think again. Eating a banana on an empty stomach might not be as beneficial as you think. Although bananas are packed with potassium, magnesium, and vitamins, eating them on an empty stomach can have unexpected effects. Why? Because the banana, when eaten alone, can cause a rapid increase in magnesium in the blood. This sudden spike can create an imbalance between calcium and magnesium in your body, which can affect the functioning of your cardiovascular system. And that's not all. Bananas, despite their sweetness, contain a slight natural acidity. If you eat them on an empty stomach, this acidity can irritate your stomach lining, especially if you're sensitive to acidity. Result, you might end up with a feeling of discomfort or even heartburn. To fully benefit from the goodness of bananas, it's best to combine them with other foods like whole grains or yogurt. This not only buffers the acidity, but also allows for a more gradual absorption of nutrients. So, the next time you think about eating a banana on an empty stomach, think twice. Have you ever experienced any discomfort after eating a banana alone? Share your experience in the comments. Mistake number 5, storing bananas in the refrigerator. Let's talk about storage. Where do you store your bananas once you get home from the supermarket? If your answer is in the refrigerator, you're making a classic mistake. The cold of the refrigerator can actually interrupt the ripening process of bananas, preventing them from reaching their full flavor and nutritional potential. Moreover, the peel can quickly turn black in the cold, giving you the impression that the fruit is overripe when it's not. The best way to store your bananas is to leave them at room temperature, ideally hanging on a hook to avoid bruising. If they are too ripe, then you can put them in the fridge to slow down the process. Are you going to change your storage habits after learning this? Mistake number 6, eating bananas at night. You might think that a banana in the evening is a light and healthy choice, but it might not be as beneficial for your sleep as you believe. Bananas are rich in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps produce serotonin and melatonin, hormones that promote sleep. Sounds perfect, right? But too much melatonin can actually disrupt your natural sleep cycle, leaving you groggy or disoriented when you wake up. Also, bananas contain natural sugars that can give you a boost of energy right before bed. Not really ideal for relaxing. That being said, if you eat your banana at least an hour before bedtime, it shouldn't be a problem for most people. Have you ever noticed that you have trouble falling asleep after eating a banana in the evening? Let me know in the comments. Mistake number 7. Not paying attention to the color of the center of the banana. Here's an intriguing question. Have you ever noticed a small black line in the center of your banana? If so, did you ignore it? It's a common mistake. This line, called the phloem, can tell you a lot about the quality of your banana. If it's very pronounced or surrounded by browned flesh, it can indicate that the banana was grown with a lot of pesticides or that it was harvested prematurely. The next time you eat a banana, take the time to observe its center. A thin, barely visible line is a sign of a good quality banana. How will you react the next time you see a pronounced black line in your banana? Mistake number 8. Eating bananas in excess. Too much of anything is bad, as the saying goes. And this also applies to bananas. Although rich in nutrients, excessive consumption can have harmful effects. Bananas are rich in natural sugars and calories. Eating too many bananas can therefore contribute to unwanted weight gain. In addition, their high potassium content can be problematic for people with kidney problems. Eating 1 to 2 bananas a day is generally considered healthy for a healthy adult. How many bananas do you usually eat? Have you ever experienced any negative effects after eating a lot of them? Mistake number 9. Neglecting drug interactions. Here's a little known but potentially serious mistake: ignoring the interactions between bananas and certain medications. Have you ever thought about checking if your medications are compatible with eating bananas? Bananas, rich in potassium, can interact with certain medications, particularly ACE inhibitors, used to treat high blood pressure or certain diuretics. This interaction can cause hyperkalemia, which is potentially dangerous. If you take medication regularly, it's crucial to talk to your doctor or pharmacist to check if there are any precautions to take with your banana consumption. When was the last time you consulted a healthcare professional about your diet? Mistake number 10. Ignoring the signs of allergy. Finally, let's talk about a serious topic: banana allergies. Although rare, they exist and can be dangerous if they are not recognized. Have you ever experienced unusual symptoms after eating a banana? Symptoms of a banana allergy can include itching in the mouth, swelling of the lips or throat, hives, or in severe cases, difficulty breathing. People allergic to latex are particularly at risk due to cross-reactivity. If you notice any of these symptoms after eating a banana, it's crucial to consult an allergist. Your health is worth much more than a simple banana, no matter how delicious it is. In conclusion, bananas are wonderful fruits, rich in nutrients and delicious. But as with any food, it's important to consume them wisely. By avoiding these 10 common mistakes, you can optimize the benefits of your bananas while preserving your health. So, how many of these mistakes were you making without knowing it? What habits are you going to change after watching this video? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. And most importantly, the next time you eat a banana, remember these tips. Don't forget, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, but only if you eat it right. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you soon for more health content.